some chocolate, 100 grams of it. I'm using white chocolate, but it's best to use dark chocolate. You'll need water, 3 eggs, salt and sugar, and soft butter. So first, boil some water in a pan on a stove, and then open up the chocolate and put 100 grams of it in another bowl, combined with 25 grams of soft butter. Now, you can place the bowl with the white chocolate and butter on top of the pan with water in it. Make sure to stir it with a metal spoon. This way it can properly melt. Now prepare the eggs. Get 3 eggs and separate them into the egg whites and the yolk. Now that you've done that, you can whisk the egg whites. You should end up with completely white egg whites, and make sure to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Make sure that the foam is slow moving. Now mix the white chocolate and butter with the egg yolk until you get a honey texture. Add a pinch of salt. Now whisk them all together. This mixture is enough for 3 mugs. Pour the mixture into 3 mugs and then place them in the fridge for 20 minutes and you will need self-raising flour, baking powder, salt, bacon, cheese, 1 egg and old milk. So first you need to bake the bacon and melt the cheese. So you need to have a dry bowl and a wet bowl. So in the dry bowl, place some self-raising flour, some baking powder and salt. Also the melted cheese, and now cut some bacon and put it all in the bowl. In the wet bowl, pour the old milk in, and time for the satisfying part, putting the egg in. So now I'm whisking them all together. By all, I mean old milk and yolk. And then I am going to pour both of them into the dry bowl. So you can see I'm doing that now, and then I need to turn the oven on to 200 degrees Celsius, and now I'm stirring them with my spoon. Now you need some cupcake molds, and now I'm just putting the mixture inside them and putting them in the oven to bake. Need oil, 3 eggs and spices. Warning, for the Korean egg roll you will need a parent or guardian to help you. So first you need to turn the stove on to 6 or 200 degrees Celsius on the oven. And then you need to get a pan and sprinkle some oil on it. Now get 3 eggs, crack them and place them into the bowl. And now whisk the eggs inside the bowl. Now you can get any fillings that you want to put inside the Korean egg roll, and carrots, spinach or any spices will do. I used carrots and tarragon and some other spices. So now I'm cutting the carrots and I'm going to put them in the bowl and whisk. Now you need to add the spices and whisk again. And placing it on the frying pan, and then you need to flip it over until it's nice and cooked. and then make sure you have a guardian or parent to help you place it on the plate, and then roll it up like so, and time to cut and eat. Thank you for watching this video.